Today at MOBHouse Punboxing, I have something that will light up your world from dusk to dawn. Use it in the dark when watching prawn. Don't need a switch to turn you on. Faster buy before it's gone. You would not believe your eyes with 3 freaking sensor lights lit up the world as I took a Now this is a very tough job, so Sha will need more than 2 hands to complete the punboxing because this thing is very difficult to open. First, you gotta open up the grey bag, and then you have bubble wrap because you need protection. And then you cut open the bubble wrap, which will reveal something inside. This thing inside is a what? Is a brown box. And then the box is brown, very nice. The label is blue and white, very nice. Now we open it and inside you will find 3 white long boxes. Wow, don't put in your mouth lah. Don't put in your mouth. Not everything also can put in your mouth, I know. Okay. Now I will leave Sha to it because the autopilot behind seat until back pain already. Here is the USB cable because this thing is rechargeable, bro. And then when you take the light out, it's very simple. It looks like this. There's a white nipple at the front, which is the sensor. Behind we have the sticky one 3M magnetic strip that you can stick anywhere. And if you stick on nipple, you don't even have to take out the sticker. At one side, you have the switch between auto on and off. The other side, you'll find a hole, a charging hole, because this is rechargeable. This 1 watt light is pretty bright, can make you look very pretty. But if you have a face problem, it cannot be safe, so blame your mother. The batang is quite long at 7.5 inch, 1.2 inch wide, and almost 1 inch thick. Very sleek, very nice. Here's some Changi B-roll for you, and if you want your B-roll to be so Changi, please hire MOBHouse. Who the heck even needs a gimbal? Keng leh! Look like Blackpink music video wo. You can even use it for crunchy B-roll. Yamete Bori-kun, kore wa watashi no hikari desu. Omae wa mou shindeiru. Nani? The light is bright but not super, but you can definitely use it for close-ups and macro shots and even turn it to make things look interesting. So lit! The AMIR rechargeable sensor lights comes at 56 ringgit 20 cents for a pack of 3. You can even use it when you bangsai. So don't say I bochio, huh? Don't forget to like and share this video if my singing didn't make you deaf. And follow us on Facebook at MOBHouse Productions. Again, I'm Shane and I will see you in the next one. Panggang, Panjio, Pangpui, Pangsai.